There I was, an empty piece of a shell, just minding my own world without even knowing what love and life were all about. Then you came, you brought me out of the shell, you gave the world to me, and before I knew, there I was, so in love with you.
Paging
Hingi ka.
Please proceed to the geriatrics department.
Emergency! Emergency! Paging Dr. C! Emergency! Emergency!
Hello po, kumusta po kayong lahat dyan? Attention sa lahat ng may hika. Sa mga wala pa, manood din kayo dahil baka balang araw magkaroon kayo.